Why is the Nissan PAO so attractive and successful design-wise? It's because it's consolidating design elements of some of the most iconic cars in the world. For example, here we have the hinges that look like the Austin Mini. On the rear, you have the flipping window, similar to the Citroen 2CV. And in the front, you have both the hood of the Renault 4 and the lights, the high beam of the Beetle, the Volkswagen Beetle. All those cars have sold in millions, some even in tens of millions, and there is a reason. It's because they were iconic. If you have any comment to add, please put them in the comment section below the video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I have many more PAO or Figaro videos on my car and train channel.